Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Today was a pretty decent day. I mean, price action wasn't good at all, but I still got some decent scalps in. So the first scalp that I took was on MNQ, which made up most of the profits on all my accounts. So we were coming up here and we were selling off, and open was strong, but once we made the 15-minute opening range, we started chopping around. So, which is from here. Look at this. The next 15 minutes started chopping around, but we still closed above the 21 EMA, which was a good sign to me. It told me that we were going to have a, you know, a move up, a leg up. But at the same time, I did not like the size of these wicks either. So I thought it was a bear flag, but I was okay with taking a stab at shorts with a 20-point stop loss. So I was in 5 micros. So, no, maybe it was 4. Maybe it was 4 micros. Pretty sure it was 4. But, yeah. So I was in 4 micros on my real account, my live account, and my 3 fundeds. And I was in 8 micros on my 2 evals with take profit. So I rode this up for about 22 points, I believe. I think 19. So it was 19 points on 4 micros. It's not bad at all. I think the highest I ever was 22 points. But then I sold, which was a good thing, because I was already up like a couple $100 on each account. I was over $100, which is the maximum or the minimum winning day that you need for my funded future. So I just wanted to secure it, because I didn't like all the choppiness we had, and Jolts was also right around this time, 5 minutes ago, and that didn't really provide anything substantial, for me to size in heavier. So yeah, and then I took a scalp on NQ. This one really tiny, but the last one that I took was this one, and that gave me a couple points, and which put me at 250. So which is this right here. I waited for this candle to close, and then I got in shorts right around here, and I rode it till the break of the 21 EMA again, which was about 6-7 points. So yeah, I had lost some in some scalps right before, and then I made it back with one. Held it for around 120, so 6 points, 6, 7, 8 points maybe. Yeah, 8 points. Held it for around 8 points, and that's a good 250 for me. So that pays for the 2 evals along with yesterday's profits. So yeah, let's just go ahead and withdraw that. As you can see, well, it hasn't hit my account yet, but if you see the log, it should say. Never mind, it doesn't say anything. Oh, there it does. So yeah, withdrawal request approved. This was the 250 that we did yesterday. So yeah, this morning at 6:36, it got withdrawn from my account, and as you can see, my account's back to where it was yesterday because we made 259 or something yesterday. So we can go ahead and withdraw that again, and that will pay for my as you can see here, still hasn't hit my account. So let's see. So yeah, let's withdraw this again, and that'll be good. So one scalp, pretty much it, and fundeds are up 200-ish. Oh yeah, see right here. So this scalp, it was the same entry I failed, and yeah, I sold here, and then it started going up. But I should have just held it, honestly. But because I was in some profit and I didn't want to let go of it, so that's what was taken over. But I got a better entry because I knew we were just going to come down to VWAP. We've been selling off, so a small a small run down, and yeah. So that was my thought process on that. So let's just withdraw this other 250K. And that'll be $500 real money for the week. So that's good. So next business day we'll get it, since we did it on time. And yeah, let's see. What was I gonna do? Transfer history. So yeah, there we go. 250 approved yesterday, and then another 250 that we did just now, which is great. Not bad. Haven't been sitting in charts for as long as I have been the past week or two. So, it's just quick profits, playing with a couple micros, up to a mini, keeping the stops real tight, and just scalping. Maybe scalping is what I need to focus on. You know what I mean? It's very low stress because I get out immediately, and I think I've gotten that, not holding losers for too long and all of that. And I've kind of have the Ninja Trader platform dialed, Every time I take a trade, I check if it's MNQs. I play with the ratios. And the cross orders are off. ATM copies on. ATM strategies on. And for NQ, same thing. Strategies on. Then I check. Oh wait. That's on, and then I adjust immediately as soon as I switch the amount of the quantity, and yeah, it's been going decent. So yeah, I'm getting a better hang of it, making some progress. A good week so far, 2 winning days in a row. Let's see how much we made today. It should be over $1,000. Let's see. So we made 250 withdrawn already, and then we have more than 5 winning days now, so we could take out a payout, but account balances are not good. But this one, slowly building it back up. It was at 500, now it's up at 957, and the other accounts are almost at break even. I need $400 more. So it's not dead yet. We're still not out of the waters, but we're not sinking. We're not sinking, so which is good. So 250, 207, 171, 152, 311, and then 308. There we go. $1,399. $1,400 if we add up all the what do you call it? The change. So I'm just gonna say $1,400. So yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Just been focusing more on scalping, honestly. Getting the profits quick and holding the runners well, which I need to focus on. But so far I have been making decent decisions because I'm happy with since I have so many accounts, I'm happy with making just $200 to $300, which I'm able to withdraw. So, I think this is good. And yeah, I just haven't had I haven't traded yet scalping to have had the opportunity to just hold it. So, yeah, it's just not been that type of day. You know what I mean? It was yesterday, but I was asleep, woke up at 7:30, and then Friday I didn't trade. So, yeah. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it useful. I sure do. Sometimes I go back and watch it and see what mistakes I made. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right? Bye.